Excellencies, Pakistan fully supports Iran's inherent right to self-defense under Article 51 of the UN Charter in response to the blatant and unprovoked Israeli aggression. Excellencies, double standards are on full display when it comes to Israel. There is no talk of the rule of law, the rules-based international order, or consequences for illegal actions. This impunity must end and end now. Israeli aggression against Iran is not an isolated event. It is part of a dangerous and consistent pattern of militarism that Israel has demonstrated across the Middle East. Israeli aggression represents a dangerous escalation and is a serious threat to peace and stability, not only of the region, but the wider world as well.